TikTok Shop versus Etsy. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you the difference between TikTok Shop and Etsy. Now, there are no big difference between the two of them because both of them offers a lot of different products to buy from. Although in Etsy, all of their products seem to be high quality, such as homemade products or professionally made products. While in TikTok, it is basically like a free-for-all. It doesn't matter what you're selling. If it passes, it will allow you to sell it. As you can see here, there are dried mangoes, there are cups, there's tissues, all sorts of products are available over here. Of course, that is also available in Etsy, but as you can see here, majority of their products are really well-made, really selected products, and there's great deals available in Etsy. Similarly with TikTok, of course, there's great deals. But if you're looking for products that if you want to buy something randomly, you could easily do TikTok. But if you want to buy some amazing products or like good-looking products, or if you have a specific type, you could go to Etsy and look for those different things in Etsy. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.